Oh. That look like it hurt.
I felt good.
Sound like you breaking something in there.
Even my back be like, oh gosh.
Lord.
Want me to try you?
No.
Are you sure?
Okay.
You heard that? Let me tell you if you can hear my back.
Oh. Yeah. Wow.
Dang, I should probably go see a doctor, huh? My friends was telling me I need to see a chiropractor. Nobody's bones pops like that.
Yeah. Wow. That's crazy. Yeah.
Even my knee, but
Oh.
it's this thing right here.
Oh my God. I was about to say.
See, it's like this go.
Oh!
Oh.
Man, go down! You got a broken neck, you don't know it.
Oh.
No, you got something in your hand. But, yeah, now it's in your pocket.
He said go down.
I started to shoot him and self-defense. I thought he needed it. Are you videotaping this guy? Yeah, both of you are. Shoot him! Not normal.
That guy, when you walked away, he's like, how many times is he going to do that? And then he went like that.
You good, bro?
Huh?
So you good?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, that's not like it hurt.
Nah, that feels good. You
I
never
mean, I
popped your
bet
neck?
I popped my neck, but that sounded like it hurt.
Nah, man. That's like this.
Oh, goodness.
Want me to hook you up?
Wow, no.
I can do them real good. I just
No,
quack!
bro, no.
You sure?
Yeah,
you lifting up, dude? I guarantee you, I can get you a good pop. Have you ever pop your elbows?
No.
Just go, you go 1, 2, and you.
Shut up. What the hell? Do it again?
Well, I don't know if I could probably try this arm. So you're gonna go 1, 2. You ever do that?
So what, 1?
You go 1, 2, and then whap.
Yeah.
You know, maybe you gotta do this and try this. If you take your elbow and just go like this, and then bring it down like that to your hip. So you go like that, and then you bring it like that, right? And hold it there, and take this hand, this elbow like this, and then you just tip over like a teapot, and then you say, "I'm a little teapot."
Nah, stop, man. Stop. I already know what you're doing.
All right, man.
Though, man. That's pretty good.
Thanks, dude.
Keep doing that.
Oh. Hey, I was wondering, could you help me out? I got some like bone problems with my neck, so I heard like a vegetable, like I don't know if it was carrots or if it would be like celery or something, but it's supposed to be able to help your bones not. Yeah, I mean when I go, it just, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But that's what I heard. I don't know. Have you ever heard of anything like that? Or?
So you can Google it, I guess. Vegetables good for cracking bones.
What's it say? Creaky joints. That's what I got. It's creaky joints. Well, thanks. It just go on, man. Can't seem to stop it. Thanks for your help. Down this aisle? I still can't find anything.
What is it?
Like for your neck. If you got a cracked neck or.
His neck
Like,
hurts.
they sent me over there to. They sent me. I know. They sent me over to a guy doing vegetables. You never heard that before?
No.
It hurts. And they said. That's okay.
Just shocked me.
Pain. It's
So like a relief?
yeah, like a neck relief.
It's saying it's down there.
Well, that's where they sent me at, and I got the Flintstone vitamins. Thermacare.
It'll be on your left side.
Oh, $5.94.
Yeah. It'll be at the bottom, I believe.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah. Okay. How much is that one?
$4.27.
$4.27. Is that with or without a coupon or? can I tell them like you got like a family friendly discount or anything or?
No, I don't think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it says it's just 427.
It's 427.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for taking up y'all's time. I appreciate your helping me though, but that's right. Customer service though is always.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm sorry for taking your time up and stuff. And then sometimes I can even do it with my watch. I do it. Yeah, with right there, like that way too. But I mean, it doesn't really. It doesn't hurt. It just feels bad. But thanks.
You're welcome.
Aisle 4.
G11.
G11. That was close. Huh? Oh.
She's holding her neck right now. Go over the, hey, you take this Advil and you bake it in a pan or something?
Hey, I didn't know if you, I seen you holding your neck.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
having the same problem. If you, look, hang on to that for a second, I'll show you. What you do is you take the Advil, and you put it in there, and you bake it in the oven for like 45 minutes, and then you drink it. It gets to your bloodstream. Just to help, my neck hurts all the time.
Yeah.
So I just thought, I don't know, I didn't mean to be weird or anything coming up on you like that, but that is what I am here for. I'm doing this exact same thing.
Yeah.
So, okay, have a good day. You too. All right. Wondering what was your policy like on return items? You have to have the receipt for it, or is it something that?
We can do
Sorry. Excuse me.
do your ID.
My ID. Okay. So what I was wanting to do, I'm having some like back pains and stuff. So what I was wanting to do is go get my medicine there and then run out because it's a bike.
Okay.
So I want to bring the bike back in, and
Purchase it off a card.
yeah.
Okay.
So I can do it that
Look
way.
up on a card.
Okay. That'd be good then.
Okay.
Dang, I'm sorry. I don't mean that's almost like somebody cutting a cheese in front of you, but I'm sorry.
Just the noises.
Okay. So then I'll go shopping and then I'll go back out and get it,
Okay.
and then I'll come back in, and then I'll come back in, bring the bike straight here, and then I'll have to tag it or something up
They
there.
probably will. If somebody's there, they'll tag it.
Then they'll tag it, and then I'll bring it back in. That way,
Do you do that
it
all
was
the time?
huh?
Do you do that all the time? Crack your...
Oh, yeah, it's just weird. It's a weird thing. I do yoga and stuff. I'm thinking it would help me out if I do yoga, but I don't think it's helping, you know?
Maybe
But it's pretty good though, you know. I can
feels good
yeah, do that kind of stuff and everything. So
That's good.
okay. Well, thanks a lot. I appreciate you.
Yep, just come
All
back
right.
up with it when you get done.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Have
Bye bye.
fun. That's you doing that with that.
Yeah, that's our toy.
Oh, that's what y'all do with it.
You see that? Did you see it?
Yeah, I seen that. Wow.
You have any
Sound
kids?
like a
You want to take it home and mess with your husband or your kid? A fart. That's a poppy ass fart. You want to take it home? I sell these.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, on PRANKKits.com. But I'll let you take one if you want to take it home and keep your kids or something with it. Be like, Junior, come over here. My back hurt. Pop. Like, dang, Mom.
Not Junior.
Whatever. You know, I don't
Thank you.
know. You're welcome. But then when you open them like this. You just like peel one side like that, peel the other side like that, and then you just pull.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Boom. Oh, dang. That was good, huh? All right, have a good one.
Thank you, y'all too.
Yep. Yeah.
Get my bike.
Okay.
She was so helpful. My knee be like, yeah. Yeah, it's brutal, man.
Do him at the door.
Or your neck be like, oh.
Get on it.
Get him at the door.
My elbows be like, I know, I'm teasing. Nah, it's just these. That's smart, yeah.
Yeah, you got me on that one. I was looking like, right. I was like, what the hell is wrong with him?
Here, you take this and just go.
Oh.
Oh, she
Like
says
when you did your neck, how you do that?
Oh, yeah, this one, let's go.
Oh. 'Cause I'm like, Damn, he must be in some serious.
That's what I was looking like.
Keep doing this, like you can do it.
I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah, take it. It's so easy, sir. Whoop. You wanna try it?
Okay.
You just.
Oh! Dang, girl, you need to see a chiropractor. Oh my goodness. You want to take it with you? You want it? You can do it with your friends. I'll live it to you if you want it. I got a bunch of these.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. See ya.
Have a nice
You
day.
too. Have a good one, bro. I'm recording this on video. Is it alright if I use your reaction?
Yeah, man, go for it.
Alright, thanks, dude.
No problem.
Have a good one, man. See you.
Got my little teeth.
God.
That's funny. I'm a little teapot. I couldn't even. I was just fucking. I was just came back corner my mouth.
So you want to know how to prank? Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and comment down below because I'm giving away 5 of these bone poppers. And if you want one, all you gotta do is like the video, comment below, and if I pick yours, I will send it to you. Big thank you to my friend Jason Smith at Jason the Great 777. His YouTube channel teaches you how to do magic tricks from stuff at home. So he's a big help. He helps me out tremendously. I love him and his entire family. So if you do me a big favor, go over there, give it a like, give him comments, give him a subscription, subscribe to the channel. It's free. Thank you so much for watching. Never give up. Live inspired, shock the world. I'll see you next time. Oh.